Hey friends, welcome to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. If you aren't a subscriber, we would love to have you hit subscribe and click that bell to get notifications every time one of us uploads a new video. I'm Kim and I'm here to share with you a new product in the Cat Scrappiness store. So you will find these stitched slimline strip dies. Here you can see the package comes with 4 different dies, creating 4 different widths of cardstock strips, and all of them will have a stitch line down the center. So you can see each die cuts 3 strips, and it is slimline size, which is pretty fabulous because I can cut down slimline size strips to fit an A2 card front or to fit a mini slimline, and these will even work to fit a 5x7 inch card. So these are really versatile. This is a great size, and you can see there are 4 different dies. Each one cuts a different width of strip, paper strips, and they all have stitching down the center, and they all cut 3 at a time. This is a great way to use up your paper scraps. Like, keep this die set next to your die cutting machine, and every time you have leftover strips, just die cut those with these dies and you will have ready-made strips. Here's a piece of scrap paper that I have, for example. It doesn't matter that it's not as big as the die. I can actually put that on, and that's going to cut down 3 pieces of stitched strips there that I can use to decorate a card. So I'm pretty excited about this. I've had this on my wish list for at least 6 months, and I'm so excited that Cat Scrappiness finally came out with one. It is fabulous. So let me show you a couple of ways that I use. I created 2 fun cards, and you can see I used the strips horizontally and vertically on an A2 size card. You could use these on any size card. On the left hand side, I added the strips so that they were spaced, that you can see the white space in between. On the second card, you can see that I didn't leave any spaces, and I just covered a small part of each card. You could cover a whole card front. You could, just put a couple of strips on. I love these strips for grounding my sentiments and grounding my images and things like that. So I think I'm super excited about this. I have so many ideas of how I want to use it. So the links will be below. I would love it if you give this video a thumbs up, and I will be sure to include the links for the other products I used in the cards as well. Thank you so much, friends. Have a wonderful day.